Created by Joseph Granville, on balance volume (OBV) is a technical momentum indicator that uses volume to predict the changes in stock prices. It is an invaluable asset for decoding the emotional pulse of the market. If the prices are rising and OBV is confirming an upward trend, it suggests a healthy bull market. In downward trends, a falling OBV can indicate a robust bearish sentiment. Divergence between the OBV and the price movements can act as an early warning or potential trend reversal. If prices break out but OBV doesn't, it might be a false alarm. OBV serves as a confirmation tool for volumes, offering a more profound understanding of the price movements. Combine OBV with other indicators for a comprehensive analysis. Comment below which technical indicator should we cover next. Sushil Finance, simplifying investing for you since the past 40 years.